So yes, in the front here, that's a screen that should get cleaned
Okay.
once in a while.
All right.
You just pull it out and wash it. It's
Okay.
washable and it goes back.
Perfect.
Other than that, I mean, the drain, like I said, you can see the drain in the bottom, but the way these are designed now, there shouldn't be any standing water or anything, so you should be in good shape.
Okay.
And then his control is right here. And when we're done here, we'll leave him a manual,
Okay.
okay? And that control, it has a lot of features that you have to go in and program if he wants, but the default program is pretty good too. But the things that you can change are things like you can have the water pump only run when the compressor's on, you can have it continuous, same thing with the blower. You can have it stop when the thermostat's done, or you can have it run all the time.
All right.
Some people like white noise, some people don't, so it's
Right.
a preferential thing. And then you can play in there internally with the fan speeds. There's 6 speeds,
Okay.
and they can go in there, and all it basically fan speeds are is cutting voltage. So say it's low speeds 50 volts, 60 volts, 70 volts, 80 volts. It allows you to go up and down 10 volts to each speed.
Okay.
So if he's into worrying about air noise or things like that, he can go in and play with that.
All right.
Okay, and then you can also adjust the temperature if he feels it's